Good morning, boys and girls. It's our final week of your fourth grade year, and I just wanted to make a quick video and give you all a shout out and let you know how proud I am of each and every one of you. You guys have shown so much growth, determination, and perseverance. You've got grit. You've got what it takes. And you're ready for the fifth grade, every single one of you. I wish that we could be together this week so that we could physically see each other and say our goodbyes. It's not goodbye, it's just see you later. Please come back and visit us any chance you get. Email us, let us know how you're doing. If there's ever anything you need, you know we're here for you. All right, I got my Kleenex ready just in case. So let me talk to you about this week. So you will have a few things that are due that we have to get turned in. So if you go to your Google Classroom page for Miss Ivory, you go to your classwork tab, you will see under May 18th, which is today, to May 20th, which is Wednesday, that we have our very last ever classroom Zoom meeting at 12 o'clock, boys and girls. Several of you have not ever joined us, or some of you did, but you kind of dropped off. Please, please, please try to attend this meeting so that we can see you all. If you'll click on this, there's a link right here. If you click on this link right here, that will take you directly to our Zoom meeting. But you must do it on Wednesday at lunchtime at 12. Okay? Also, here's a reminder that Thursday is our supply pickup parade. I call it a parade because all your fourth grade teachers will be out there to hand you a bag that has all your supplies in it. And there'll be a couple of nice surprises in there for you. So please, please, please attend that so you can pick up what you left behind. And your report card will be in there. And like I said, some surprises. So please pick that up. If you click on this link right here, it tells you that fourth grade is on Thursday, May 21st from 10:30 to 11:30. And that you will pick up your supplies. And you won't even have to leave your car. We'll come out to you. Okay? The next thing I want to show you guys for the week is that your library books are due. I would say out of 22 students, probably about 12 of you have turned in your books. There are still about 10 students that Miss Gleason has outstanding books from. And if we don't get those turned in by Thursday, you will get an invoice and a bill where you have to pay for those books. So please search your house, search your backpack, bring those at least Thursday. If not, you can bring them anytime this week. There's this tub out in front of the school at the front door where the office is. Outside, there's a tub, a plastic tub with a lid. You can just drop them off and throw them in that tub and run back to your car anytime, day or night. But they've got to be back by Thursday. So, please, I've emailed your parents personally if you are one of those 10 kids that owes books. Otherwise, I'll be making phone calls, and I don't want to have to do that. So please make sure your parents are checking their emails. You get those books out and say, we've got to take these. We've got to get these back to Miss Gleason for the library. All right, now your lesson is going to be found on Miss Hendrickson's tab. So let's go to Miss Hendrickson's tab. And if you go to the classwork tab, you will see right here, end of year scrapbook. Click on that link, and there's a video that Miss Hendrickson made for you to explain the video, and then here is your product that you can work on, okay? It's an end of year scrapbook, which I know you're going to enjoy putting together and filling in, okay? So I want to see you all on Wednesday at our 12 o'clock Zoom. I will send out an invite through your parents' email, but know this. If you get on your Google Classroom and you go to My Classroom tab, then you can get directly to the Zoom link, and you won't have to go through your parents to set it up, okay? It's right in here in this last link right there. Okay. All right, I think I've covered everything. Oh, and the last thing, mark your calendar. I think I said it's July 24th or 28th, something like that. It's the end of July. We're going to have our end of year 4th grade celebration. So we will be getting together. But please don't forget to start checking your emails, or have your parents check their emails in the end of July or towards the end of July, so we can know where and when we're going to be meeting to have our end of year celebration. Okay, guys? I love you all. I'll see you on Wednesday at 12 noon.